Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing hardware and accepting a limitation. Xbox consoles do not pair with standard Bluetooth headsets. Once done, charge the Blackshark V2 Pro and power it in Bluetooth mode so it's ready. Make sure your Xbox controller firmware is current, connect the controller with USB, and update in accessories if prompted. While you prepare, decide on the workaround. Wired 3.5 to controller for full chat and game audio, or use a compatible Xbox wireless headset instead. Since Bluetooth won't work, connect the Blackshark V2 Pro with a 3.5 audio cable to your Xbox controller. Plug the cable firmly into the headset and controller port. The controller must be on to route audio. Then go to Settings, General Volume and Audio Output, and set headset audio to stereo uncompressed for best compatibility. Once set, adjust headset inline volume and mic monitoring. Make small test adjustments. Game volume, chat mix, and mute toggle to confirm both game sound and party chat are present. If you want wireless audio, a practical path is streaming Xbox to a PC or mobile via the Xbox app, then pair the Blackshark V2 Pro to that device over Bluetooth. This gives wireless audio but adds latency. Alternatively, invest in an Xbox-compatible wireless headset or a transmitter that supports Xbox wireless. Finally, if audio or mic doesn't work after the steps, try a different 3.5 cable and recheck controller firmware. Often swapping the cable or rebooting console and headset resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.